What's up guys, it's Semi aka Junior here bringing another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, we go ahead and click on the like button, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out anything we do on here and all the great things we bring. So today, I know we just finished the holidays. I still have my stuff up for Christmas, but I did want to go over another car product review item. I got this box right here. The good people at Lumway sent me this package here. They sent me a pair of floor mats for my vehicle. Now, these are different from all the other ones that you see online and stuff. You find at Walmart or anything like that. This is not your carpet rugs that you put right on top of your floor mats in your car and then put them away. These are like, I don't want to say heavy duty, but they're weatherproof floor mats that it does its job very, very well. So this is the box they sent me in. As you see, it comes pretty small, not too big, not too small, but it's not something that you could sit there and say, oh, this is crappy material. It is actually great material. It comes in 3 pieces. So this one is meant for my truck, my Toyota Tacoma. And it's one piece is the back, the 2 floor mats on the back that connects to each other. And there's just one piece there. And then the 2 other pieces are the 2 front floor mat on there. So I'm gonna show you what the floor mat consists of and how the material feels and everything. All right. So when you first open it up, I did open it up, but I didn't take it out of the plastic. It's still in the plastic because I didn't know what it was until I opened it, because then I couldn't tell from the box. As you see, the box is just a plain brown box. So I didn't know what it was. When this came for me, I'm like, what is this? So when I opened it and I saw it, I'm like, oh, it's the floor mats. All right, so it comes packaged in the plastic, as you see right here. And you just gotta take it out. It's pretty hard to do it by yourself. I'm gonna do it this way. I'm holding it with my feet. So when you first take it out, it comes in like this. I just threw it on the side so I can move it to the side. So that it comes packaged like this, and it comes with this manual right here. So it tells you exactly how to put it on and everything. So they sell, if you do have like a back cover, like you have an SUV, it's not just for my truck. There's other ones that you can buy for your car. It's an SUV, regular car. And if you have an SUV, they have covers that you put on the back trunk area so you can keep it there. So the purpose of these but floor mats is so everything stays on the floor mat. You know how sometimes you get in your car from going in and out so many times of the vehicle, eventually your car gets dirty, the carpet gets very dirty. So when you take off the car mat to go and clean it, you still see residue on the car from the dirt jumping around because it doesn't always cover it. Now, these floor mats here cover the whole floor. So wherever you step, and it has a lip all around, so it's not gonna fall over onto the ground itself. So it makes your car more, I guess, cleaner, more protected. That's the word, more protected. So when you wanna take it out and clean it, all you gotta do is take it out, rub it off, and then that's it, you're done. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm gonna take out, this is right here is one of them. So this one is for the driver's side. And the reason I can know that is because the rest pedal is right here. You see this marking right here, this is the rest pedal, is on the left side. So this is for the driver's side. And the thing about my Tacoma, on the floor, it does have these inserts here so you could squeeze them on. So there's like a locking mechanism so this doesn't move. So it's OEM specs. So original specs on this. So you put this in here. So when you step on it, as you can see all around, there's a lip all around the whole mat that comes up just a little bit so no dirt can come out. So when you step on this and you move your feet around, everything, move it back and forth, usually the dirt will fall off the mat and fall on the regular floor. And then you got to take off the mat, clean the floor, vacuum the floor. But with this, if you step on this directly, your dirt will stay here directly. So all you got to do is take it off, take it out, and dump it out. That's one thing. And the material, it feels like a plastic material, but it's not plastic. It's like a polyurethane material type thing. I don't know how to describe it. but it is plastic, but it's not a hard plastic, it's a soft plastic. So that's why I say polyurethane. So this is molded to fit each car individually. Now this one will not fit your car if you don't have the same spec car as I have. So on their website, which I will leave a link down below, you can go there, pick the car you have and see if they have ones available for you. But here you guys go, this is just one format here. This is the driver's side like I mentioned. All right. And then we have the driver's side, which is this one, the passenger side. On this side, as you see, there's no footrest here because on the passenger side, you don't need to rest your feet for the pedals, only on the driver's side. So that's why this one's a little bit different. But the same kind of format as you see with the lip on all around, the hooks for the front there so you can stay hooked, and right there. Boom, done right there. So those are the two mats for the front. Now the back is gonna be one piece because as you know, the back has two little mats in the back, plus there's a hump in the middle for the third person. But half the time when the third person doesn't have a floor mat and they step in the car, now you're dirtying your actual floor of the car, not the floor mat. Because the floor mat can be replaced and then you could change it out and you don't have to worry about dirt getting on there. But this is one piece that goes underneath both floor mats and it goes over the hump. As you see, the hump is right there. It goes right over the hump so it protects it, and everything will go on the side right here, guys. Very, very, very simple, as you see. Look at that, guys. Look how nice. And I believe, no, this one doesn't have it. Because on the back mats, they actually have like press button locks on them. This one doesn't have it, but it's fine because it's one big piece. And it goes over it. And again, the same material. And it has a lip all around. The only time it doesn't have a lip, which it could be a problem at times, is the hump. On the hump, there's no lip. So if anybody's sitting in the middle and they put their feet here, instead of on the sides like they should, and they put their feet on top of the hump, if they get any dirt here, a lot of it could fall off on the side, but some could fall off in the front. The back has a small lip, not a big lip, enough for it to fall to the side, but the front has no lip at all, at least for the hump part. On the other part of the floor mat, it has lips in the front, so you're good on that. So, and they do come up with other stuff in here. All right. They have these two little things here, which I didn't know this was coming with it. Oh, okay. So this is pretty cool. These are for your kick panels on the floor, that the panels that goes between the door. So the door closes and this goes over the door. This is the panel here. These don't clip on, you have to double tape them on there. As you see, they have already pre-installed tape on there. They go on the side here for all four doors, which is pretty cool. I like that very much. So yeah, guys, that's really all it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the car so you guys can see how it looks. And then from there, we can go ahead and do my follow-up on it and see how it is. All right, guys, so these are the stock mats here on the car. Actually, so the holes are here to lock it in as we normally do. And this is what I was talking about, the dirt. When you step in here, the dirt always gets there. There's nothing you can do about that. But as time goes on, the dirt slides to the side of here. So now when you take these mats off, the bottom is clean, but the side you still got to pick up. Now with the new mats, it's going to give you the lip here and pick up here on this side too and cover it. So now that you see how the ones is now with the original ones, I'm gonna go ahead and put the new ones on so you can see the difference. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so you see I put them in. I'm doing it from the back seat just because the sun is really gonna bug me, not let me catch it properly. But as you see, it's a perfect molding on there, and you can see it clips onto the bottom, the two spots right there to clip it on, and it molds perfectly, so it will not get underneath on the main carpet. All the dirt would stay on top, and then when you want to clean it, just take it out and brush it off. Because with the carpet mats, we all know, we see them, that it's hard to clean them off. Me personally, I back them against a tree or a wall until I can get all the dirt off, because with the vacuum, it does not do anything. It's hard to take it out. So with this, it makes life a lot easier. And look on the other side as well. We have it all set up there as well, guys. Look at that, fits perfect. Couldn't ask for a better product. And this product is not that expensive. And let's take a look on the back. Look at the back right here, guys. Back right there. That's the right side of it. Lines up perfectly. Look, it lines up perfectly with the car. Look at the perfect mold on it, guys. Look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Couldn't ask for something better, guys. Look how perfect the mold is. It aligns with the whole car perfectly. So look to see if they have your car available. Order it, because this is not that bad of a price. I believe for this car, they have these for $70. But guys, in my personal opinion, it's well worth it. And it's something that you should get for your vehicle if you need something like this. Weatherproof mats. I mean, nothing will get dirty on the main carpet, so you don't have to, like, if you spill something bad on the carpet, it's not gonna get directly to the carpet, and then you don't have to replace the whole carpet. So look at this, guys. This will protect your carpet for a very long time. All right, let's go back and finish the video and give my final thoughts. All right, guys, so we just finished installing it. You saw how everything looked. Everything looked good. It worked great. It looks awesome. I think this is a great product, something you should get for yourself. If you got it, they're not expensive. They're only about 60 bucks. At least for my car, it's for 60 bucks. For your car, might be different, might be cheaper, might be more, depending on the car you have. But guys, it's a great product to check out. I suggest you go check out. Again, I'll leave a link down below so you guys can take a look at it and then see if you want to get one for yourself. Thank you, Lumway, for sending this product to me. Awesome product. I highly recommend to anybody. And that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video and anything I had to show you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. Also, guys, if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.